Hi, I'm Christina. So you're considering a move? Maybe your home now is too large, or you're tired of climbing those stairs every night to go to bed, or maybe it's time for something new, modern, and fresh. Do you desire a home where your everyday living is on the main level, but you don't have to sacrifice your storage or guest spaces? At Fountain & Village, you'll put an end to trekking up and down stairs to get to your bedroom. Your bedroom with ensuite bath are located on the main level. And you will love the outdoor space that's perfect for enjoying your morning coffee. Your upstairs can be available for grandkids and guests to visit. Plus, several walk-in closets give you plenty of storage, but you'll climb stairs when you want to, not to go to bed each night. Are you tired of your closed-off kitchen floor plan or outdated features? We can fix that at Fountain & Villas. Modern kitchens, open layouts, and included stainless steel appliances means you'll be hosting the holidays in this gorgeous kitchen. With energy-efficient appliances, you'll save money on utilities, and since it's all brand new, you can say goodbye to repairs and endless maintenance. No matter your stage of life, it's important to love where you live, and at Fountain & Villas, you're in for a treat. You will love the charm and convenience of downtown Fountain Inn that's located just a short sidewalk stroll away. Here you can enjoy supporting local restaurants, entertainment at the Yacht Center, and even the Saturday Farmers Market. Not to mention you're 2 minutes from I-385, making it easy to access the entire upstate. Life at Fountain & Villas means more time for you, traveling, visiting family, doing the things you love. How does a home make that happen? Like so many things, it adds up to time and money. More time since beautiful low-maintenance exteriors to welcome you home without the worry about lawn care and maintenance. And more money, because you can own a beautiful new villa at an affordable price, giving you more money to spend doing the things you love. Well, how'd we do? Does Fountain & Villas sound like a place you want to learn more about? Take the next step, come and see us. I can't wait to welcome you home.